Creating faceless videos for a YouTube channel can be a great way to produce content without having to appear on camera. Here are 10 AI faceless video ideas that can captivate your audience.
Number 1. AI news and updates. Share the latest news and updates in the world of artificial intelligence. Use text-to-speech for narration and dynamic visuals like stock footage, animations, and infographics. Number 2. AI tool reviews. Review and compare various AI tools and software. Showcase their features, pros, and cons through screen recordings and informative graphics.
Number 3. AI in everyday life. Explain how AI is used in everyday applications from smart home devices to personal assistants. Use a combination of animations and real-life footage.
Number 4. AI tutorials and how-tos. Create tutorials on how to use different AI technologies or programming frameworks. Screen recordings, step-by-step guides, and text-to-speech can really help explain those complex processes.
Number 5. AI innovations and research. Let's discuss recent innovations and breakthroughs in AI research. We can use academic papers, interviews with researchers, voice only of course, and visual summaries to keep the content engaging and informative.
Number 6. AI ethics and impact. Today, we're going to explore the ethical implications and societal impact of AI. We'll use case studies, expert quotes, delivered via text-to-speech, and relevant footage to illustrate our points and provoke thought.
Number 7. AI in entertainment is truly revolutionizing the way we experience our leisure time. From video games to music and even movies, artificial intelligence is playing a pivotal role. In video games, AI is used to create more realistic and responsive environments. In the world of music, AI algorithms are composing tracks that are indistinguishable from those created by human artists. And in movies, AI is not only used for creating stunning visual effects, but also for scripting and editing, making the filmmaking process more efficient and innovative.
Number 8. AI success stories. Let's delve into some success stories of companies and individuals who have leveraged AI to solve problems or achieve remarkable outcomes. It's truly inspiring to see how these innovations have transformed various industries and improved lives. Number 9. Future predictions in AI. Now let's speculate on the future of AI based on current trends and expert opinions. The possibilities are endless, and the future looks incredibly exciting as we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve.
Number 10. AI challenges and contests. Let's highlight various AI challenges, hackathons, and competitions around the world. These events are not just competitions, they are incubators for innovation and collaboration, pushing the envelope on what AI can do.
These ideas leverage a mix of visuals, animations, and text-to-speech technology to create engaging and informative content without the need for an on-camera presence. This approach allows us to explore and share the dynamic world of AI with everyone, everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for more videos. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and please see the link below for more videos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment for more videos you would like to see.